Africana. She has skin of the richest, brownest wood, glowing in the moon with more light than she should. She walks, each sway of her hips tipping the balance of the earth. She stands proud and tall, a queen with a crown called Afro. The sun smiles down at her, outlining her head with a halo. Her every step sends vibrations to the earth's core, and every breath sends ripples to the oceans, waves licking the shore. I feel her heartbeat in the pulsing of the earth. I feel her fire in the burning of the hearth. Her eyes as deep as the sky, wrath for the birds flying high. And when the sun bears down on a richly molded body, Africana sweats, water glowing like beads of honey. Have you seen her dance beneath the light of the moon? I'll tell you a story of that very soon. Her body winds like rivers flowing to the sea. Her fingers flutter like feathers of the bird flying free. And then there is no sound. The drummers are drumming, the singers are singing, but silence abounds. I'm waiting for what is coming. I hear the word anarchy as her heart becomes the beat. She's dancing, she's moving, and I'm mesmerized by her feet. From that point, the earth develops veins. She is bleeding life into the planet. I see the color coming back like rain. The arrow has hit the target. She is beautiful and she is striking. Her energy is entrancing. She is African without controversy. Skin of honey, hair mahogany, with a voice like thousands of oceans. She sings a song of generations to never forget who we are. Our crown has not been lost here in Africa. It has been fused into our skins. Our royalty is melanin. Africana cries and sings. In this land, we are queens and kings. This poem was written by Munachimso Okey-Nzeakor. Thank you.